101 Mall. 101 Mall. 101 Mall. May bagong supermarket. 101 Mall. 101 Shopping Department Store. May bagong pasyalan, bagong tambayan, maraming tindahan na pagpipilian. May kids playground, may gym, may spa, may food court, may arcade na pangbarkada. Kaya't halika na, Majagabos kita, kasama ang pamilya sa 101 Mall. 101 Mall. 101 Mall.
Ang bagong mall ng bayan, 101 Mall, your family's mall, located at Biak na Bato Street, Tabuco, Naga City.